Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. So if you want to be a master in Vietnamese, you have to know about the tone. A word in Vietnamese can be without tone, with rising tone, falling tone, low falling broken tone, rising broken tone, falling air broken tone. And today we're going to talk about the falling tone. So are you ready? Let's get started. Now let's take a look at the musical notes. We have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And when you say a word without tone, you're on a sol note. And now what you have to do is just make your voice a little bit lower to the do note. That's the way we add falling tone to a word. For example, here I have a word ga without tone. Now, let's make your voice a little bit lower to the do note. And we have the word ga with falling tone. Okay, now let's compare again. Ga without tone and ga with falling tone. Okay, let's compare again. Ga, ga. And another example here, I have a word la without tone. Now let's make the sound a little bit lower to the do note, and we have the word la. Let's compare again. La and la. Now let's practice some words and sentences with falling tone and try to feel the difference between a word without tone and a word with falling tone. And the first pair of word is ba, ba. Don't forget to repeat after me. Again, ba, ba. Ma, ma. Mơ, mờ. Đâu, đầu. Con, còn. Đan, đàn. Tâm, tầm. Tiên, tiền. Tâm, tầm. Thân, thần. Phàn nàn. Đàn bà. Buồn phiền. Lần đầu. Về nhà. Mùa hè. Bàn là. Mùa hè. Hà. Về nhà bà. Now a little bit faster. Mùa hè. Hà. Về nhà bà. Now with normal speed. Mùa hè hà về nhà bà. Buồn, phiền, vì, nhiều, tiền. Now a little bit faster. Buồn phiền, vì, nhiều tiền. And with normal speed. Buồn phiền, vì nhiều tiền. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face or support my effort, donate me by the link in the description. Or if you want to download textbooks, get the link in the description. Thank you for watching.